Ajay Banga and Nikhil Kamath, and here's what you need to know. We are reaching a global demographic time bomb. So basically, in next 15 years, 1.5 billion young people will reach the age of working professional. However, in the same countries, only 400 million jobs are being projected, which leaves 800 million people unemployed. And Mr. Ajay Banga says that if we don't close this gap, we are going to face global poverty, instability, and massive illegal immigration. His solution is to create more jobs. And he has identified these 5 sectors where World Bank is trying to create jobs. First is infrastructure. It is the foundation for everything. It just not creates job today. It actually creates an environment for roads, ports, etc. where companies can operate efficiently. Second is smallholder farming. He's not talking about taking away the small farms from the farmer, but it is about keeping them productive. He cites an example of Amul, how it is encouraging and using a cooperative model to give small producer the scale of multinationals. Third sector is primary healthcare, and he means by actually making it from foundation and not just investing in tech, having local clinics. It will not only help in creating more healthcare spaces, it will also help in curing diseases of future. Fourth is tourism. He actually points out that India, despite having beaches, mountains and everything, only has 20 million tourists per year. Value added manufacturing, and what he means is he is not interested in just extractive industries. He wants to see countries take raw materials like fruits, cottons or minerals and process them locally. This is where higher quality, sustainable jobs actually come from.